In this Power VSL review, I'm going to be showing you how you can get done-for-you sales videos that you can use for your own business or even sell them as a service and keep 100% of the profits. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on every single one of them. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Power VSL, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses, there's a ton of them here, are going to be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says multiply your profits in less than 2 minutes using stunning done-for-you video sales letters. Use them yourself or sell them to pocket thousands in pure profit. So you don't need any designers or video professionals, commercial license included, so you can actually sell to businesses. Unlimited business niches. It says here our multi-purpose templates cover all the top selling niches on JVZoo, ClickBank, WordPlus, step-by-step tutorials, and includes professional scripts and music. The coolest part for me that I liked about this is they actually used their VSLs here on their own video. So isn't it nice when you see someone actually use their own product to sell their product? So you can actually watch their sales video and see one of these in action. It says here, step one, you choose the template, you click edit and replace your images and product name to make it be your own. And then you just export it and you're done with this and you have your own sales video. I mean, I think by now in 2022, we know that having a sales video is a must for our products and services here. What you're gonna get here, you're gonna get the premium videos, sales templates, full HD and 4K resolution. You get 20 premium high converting sales videos in all the top niches here: video, software, local biz, make money online, traffic, digital, physical products, problem solution, resell, for profit. Premium logo reveal video templates include script and music. So it has 9 different scripts written by their in-house copywriter to go with the videos. So you can use it as is or change it if you want. Premium call to actions, YouTube end screen templates, mock-up products, ad banner templates, all inside here for you to use. They've got tons of examples here. I'm not going to go and play these right now. You can go to the sales page and check these out, but you can see what these actually look like here when you go to the sales page. So you can see all these different ones here, all these different niches, what these ones actually look like. And remember, you just go in here, change your text, change the images to be yours, and they have tutorials showing you how to do that as well here. So you can do that. So that's logos and stuff, all this stuff, editable. Like I said, I'm not going to go through everything here in this review as it would take too long to do that. But all these are available on the front end offer here for a very low one-time price. What I'm going to do now is show you a video of actually explaining this and showing you what this looks like. And then I'll be back to show you the backend area, the OTOs, and how you can get discounts.
Attention all digital product marketers. Multiply your profits in less than 2 minutes with just a few clicks of your mouse using these done-for-you video sales letters. What does every single top-selling product or service have in common? Video, of course. Customers no longer want to read sales pages, they want video. Yet most marketers don't have the skill or time to make a killer video that sells. That's where we come in. We've hired a graphic design and animation team to create these absolutely killer sales videos. They cover all the bases, push all the buttons, and deliver you a torrent of hot, hungry customers. These high-converting, fully tested videos do all the work for you. They trigger engagement and action. Just edit, render, and upload. Then sit back and watch your sales soar. We do all the work. You get all the glory. How's that for a deal? Oh, and best of all, you aren't going to pay even a fraction of what others charge for a single video. And you're going to get a whole lot more. Sound too good to be true? It's not. Just scroll down to see everything that's included. Then hit the buy button fast, because when the timer hits 0, the price is going up. Don't wait. Do it now while you can still get the best price and get your new video up and making sales for you today.
So after you purchase, you have access to everything here. You get your certification, your tutorials. You can download your packs here, all your different tutorials, everything in an easy to access members area. But there are multiple upgrades. The first one here, you can get exclusive commercial rights and fresh 270 done for you high quality visual sales letter templates for this. So if you want to get that one, you can get this one here. There are with this, you can see the difference here. There are some downsells apparently with this, and this is I'm doing this early before the product goes live. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to either move your mouse away, or if it doesn't pop up a discount here, click on this no thanks button, and you should get a downsell for it. Now that downsell might remove some stuff from it, but if you do want to get a lower price and you don't mind removing stuff, make sure you do that. By the way, I make less money by showing you these downsells, so please click that like button if you like the fact that I show those. Next one here is, they say you hit the jackpot. You get here for, it looks like perfect for Google ads, Instagram ads, Facebook ads. This is going to give you some extra promotion creator kit quick ads for this. So if you want to create ads, this is going to allow you to create all these different ads for getting traffic to your different pages and videos here. So this is an optional upgrade for this. And I'm trying to find you the price on it. Don't know what the price is, but it's not going to be too expensive. But again, if you want to get that discount, make sure you click that no thanks button. Oh, here we go, 57. If you want to see if you can get it at a cheaper price, click that no thanks button to see if a discount pops up for you. Next one here is all-in-one tool to create stunning promotion videos, e-covers, bookmarks, and marketing kits to launch your book. So this is another optional upgrade. Again, click that no thanks button there. And they have another one here. This is a white label license to their most popular products. Again, click that no thanks button for a possible downsell. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about Power VSL and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, it's not some crazy software that you get all these bells and whistles with. So if you're expecting some really high-tech software, that's not what this is. This is done for you templates that you can edit. They show you exactly how to do it. You don't need a fancy software to do it. But if you're expecting a fancy software, then this isn't it. What do I like about this? I love the fact that how simple this is. I like the fact that they actually use it in their own product, and they actually show a ton of examples of it on their sales page. They're not hiding behind that. If you're interested in being able to have video sales letters where you don't have to do a bunch of tweaking and changing, you just need to kind of change out your images and the text a little bit, or you want to sell these as a service, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review. If you want to take a look at Power VSL, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.